There are not only parties and outdoor activities are available in Antalya. Today I visited Legat Business Forum. This is an international event which is held in Antalya. It lasts 2 days and full of inspiring speakers and amazing networking. Real estate, crypto and finances, the main topics of this forum. There are 1,000 participants and hundreds of investors, and this is a great opportunity for growth of your business. I got a lot of fresh ideas and energy from this forum, and also I expanded my vision about my own online business. I came to some crypto forum here in Antalya for Russian speakers actually. Instead it's like some international forum. Well, let's see what's going on here and let's check it out. Well, I just registered as a worker of this forum. That's good. It seems like some crypto and real estate forum. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. Well, what we got here, we got some coffee. I think it's a good space for the networking. Yeah, looks nice. Looks like some exhibitions. Here a lot of people. Some lady already tried to sell me some MLM product. Well, about like health. He tried to teach me how to stop thoughts. And after that, I told her like I'm a professional psychologist. He said like, can you stop your thoughts? I thought, of course. it's a basic. Well, and she said like, oh, okay, I have nothing to offer to you. Well, I'll show you a little bit this forum. Here are people from 20 countries, and for example, you can buy a flat in this house, you can invest in some real estate, wherever. Yeah, they're so friendly, of course. I mean, yeah, look at this. Okay, if you want, guys, you can buy some picture like this, for example, here. It's actually, when you close up, it looks a little bit like everyone can draw it, but I don't think it's so. Anyway, it costs $1,000, and this one about the same. But I like this one. This fish is amazing, you know. Wow. This is another hall. This is another pictures. Yeah, I mean, they look nice. Wow, look at this. I would buy that. That's beautiful. Okay, guys, can you believe I just won this backpack? I was. Wow, seems like I'm flying somewhere, but I'm not flying. It's just posters behind me. I won this rucksack, rucksack backpack. Sorry, it's like Russian word. And I was going to some shopping mall to buy a new one, but I won it here. So, yeah, it's really the place for opportunities. I just got $1 from these guys for subscription. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Well, guys, okay, I'm leaving this forum right now, and it was really good and good experience, good people, and it was a good live session, like conference. And what I like the most about this forum, of course, people. People here are amazing, and if you're Russian speakers, you definitely should visit this event somehow. I know it's going to be held another event or not, but if it's so, don't be scared, just visit it. I hope, guys, you've been enjoying watching this video, and please let me know if you like it or not, because if you do like it, I will do more video about interesting events in Turkey, for example, or in other countries that I visit. So I think that would be fun. Yeah, let me know if you like it or not. Appreciate you for being here, and see you next time. I love you all.